also? Is that for the Philippine for voting for Milo? Kasi yun ang home, quote-unquote, home court ngayon ni Henry EJ.
Yes, so far right now, yun po yung home court because we have the pit there and we could collaborate with them, of course with Milo to have the clinic there. And it is one of the venue that we are tapping right now because may balita po kami gagawin po ang ultra. So, yun po yung ano namin, to have it there because there are kids who wants really, especially this summer, to have the summer clinics. Yan po yun.
Okay. With all of these events, all of this from Sir Carlo, kasi ang kulang na lang dyan. I think, you know, where we will be gravitating at. There was a time when Milo had its Little Olympics, and that was a showcase of all of these outstanding athletes from the different clinics. And it was being looked forward to. I think namatay siya pre-pandemic. It's going, pinakauli yata about 2017 or 2016. With all of this, because it becomes, although without, of course, duplicating what is being done by the TSC and the Palaro, pero may needs na siya noon. So, are we looking in that direction para at least, kasi more competition, more time to also harness and showcase your skills.
Yeah, right. Thank you, sir. And tama po kayo. Sir, when you said what will be the direction. So we recognize that more than just the fundamentals, it's important for the kids to have something to look forward to. That's why in partnership with all our clinic partners, what we've agreed on is that after the clinics, we will have at least a friendly tournament or competition. We are starting with that. So tama po kayo na pala ang Milo Little Olympics kasi it's as the same caliber as palarong pambansa, Batang Pinoy, but coming from the pandemic, ang dami natin kailangan i-adjust. You know, it's such a big event, and to start with the calendar, the school calendar, now we're shifting back to how it used to be. So we need to see where it is fit for all the stakeholders to hold that. But we're starting with something that we see is impactful, which are the different inter-school tournaments in different regions. So after the sports clinics, what will happen is that we'll have the different regional tournaments, different inter-school tournaments na we can consider it not as big as the Milo Little Olympics, but we are getting there and putting in together yung ating culminating activities. Kasi again, tama po kayo na okay na nag-enjoy sila with the sports clinics, with their siblings, with their peers, but what's going to happen next? So that's why we have the different tournaments that we are going to host with all our different sports clinics. Whether per sport or whether as an entire group of sports na gagawin natin.
Sir Eddie, you'd like to ask a question? Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Andrea, we can flash.
Sir Carlo Ivan from WBCK, kasi nakakaroon sa sinabi mo just now that parkour is included in the list of sports that will be in this skill. So, kasi yung parkour nga medyo parang purpose only, parang don't try that home type of sport. So, why did you include that in this set? And among the others, and also yung like some ultimate and others na clearly being played.
Yes, that's right. So, because we want to continue our authority in sports, so you know, in terms of our sports presence, we are partnering, even before the pandemic, the parkour has been part of the Milo Sports program. So, we are reviving it this year, and then number one, to see that it's not just an emerging sport. You know, like skateboarding and other sports, we see that parkour is one of the sports na getting a following already because it's related to gymnastics, it's related to running. So that is one of the additional sports that we are partnering, like obstacle course na rin.
Well, yun, like I mentioned, parkour, skateboarding, don't try it at home kung di mo kaya. How can we make sure na yung mga nasali magiging safe sila, na di sila masasaktan agad-agad at baka mabaril agad?
Right, that's right. Thank you for pointing that out. Kasi all of our partners naman are under the NSAs. Like for example, the skateboarding is under the Philippine Skating Association Federation, Skate Pilipinas. So kausap natin dyan sina Ma'am Millie and then the head. So we make sure that it's not just with these sports but with all sports. Safety is our topmost priority, not just with sports clinics but also with other Active Filipinas programs like Milo Marathon. So we all make sure that it is safe. You know, actually last year we were able to have our safeguarding workshop with the Philippine Sports Commission, the safeguarding committee. So I think last year and this year is when we apply the learnings on making sure that we have a safe playing field for our kids and also for those who are signing up for the sports clinics. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next question.
In-add ko na rin. So
Yeah.
if you want more details, no, we can check, no. And this is how the website looks like. We made it easier for everyone to check how they can check by sport or by location. So we are continuously updating this tulad nung binanggit ni. So you go to milo.com.ph and then you click on the Milo Sports Clinics and then you'll see here the different sports. So you have options here. So click nyo siya and then may option siya na choose by sport or choose by location. Ayan. So it will be easier na. So sa mga partners natin, please pa-update na lang. So yeah, we're really excited because again, we have to move with the times. How is it now? I'm sure sports 20 years ago is very different on how sports is right now. There are many reasons why the parents bring or send their kids to sports. One of the reasons is para mabawasan yung kanilang screen time. Yung kulit pa, kulit. But yeah, I think the coaches will tell. And I don't know, maybe before we end, if I can ask siguro our sports clinic partners, what's in a day like when they sign up sa Sepak Takraw or sa pole vault? I think some of them already gave an idea. So our viewers or yung ating partners who are interested to sign up, I'm sure gusto na nila. Kailangan nila ng konting push. So, what will be a day like? What can they expect when they sign up? At siguro kano yung magiging actual, lalo sa ice skating. Ang daming nagtatanong na sa amin about it. So, 1 quick round siguro, no?
Discipline will be very important for our session. Meaning, we are trying to make do with not having any gadgets with them while on training. We are now preaching the gospel of going back to basic. Before the athletes can do the acrobatic motions of Sepak Takraw, we are really pushing for kids to really pursue mastering the skill of ball control. That's pretty much for 4 hours. This would be under the supervision of a national coach to ensure that safety will be implemented during each session. So yes, of course, discipline will be there, going back to basic, ball control, some drills, and of course, some ball games experience for our athletes. That's for Sepak Takraw.
For karate, first thing is to have fun. That's the most important thing. Kailangan na-enjoy nila yung ginagawa nila. And then, we introduce them the basic and the fundamentals. Of course, introducing is part of, introducing the discipline, as Ma'am Karen was saying, the humility, and then respect. Very important in the karate. So, again, we go back, we just have fun and enjoy. So basically that's it. Thank you.
Good morning. So for our sports clinic for both bowling and ice skating, it will teach you the fundamentals of the sport. So for bowling, it's like, how to hold the ball, how to throw, how to approach. And for ice skating, it's how to learn how to fall, how to stand up, how to glide. And as Mr. Ricky Lim said, I would have to agree with that we introduce a lot of fun as well for the kids. So we understand that also we learn best when they're having fun. So as much as they learn the fundamentals which can start their sporting career, we also think na they should have good memories as well of the sport that they're partaking into. So we're very happy to welcome everyone in our bowling centers and even our skating centers, which we think is the coolest place in town. Sa init ng, diba, sa init ng summer, we welcome you to SM Skating, and where the temperatures are much cooler. If you fall, you can lie down on the ice, diba? Like, hindi mo lang yung damit. So, we invite everyone to try our ice sports.
Yan tawag dyan, laro at saya.